So my name is Ayush Kamaja. Today I'll be showing you a project which is classification, and we will be deploying it using Google Sheets. So yeah, let's get started. So we have classified examples, which have some training data for movie reviews, and here we have some movie reviews. You can check it out here. I will be mentioning all of these in the description. And in the training data, it is a sentiment analysis. Like you can see, it is divided into positive and negative for our review, and we will be using our model to train this data and to classify our data using embedding. So we're talking about embedding in some other video. So let's get started with the code. So here we have our token, which is Course API, and you can extract it from their website. Then we have S argument and S input. S argument, which is the training data we are taking, and S input, which we are delivering. So the first step is to create a set of examples needed by the classify endpoints to be able to perform a classification task. The classify endpoints require a minimum of two training examples per class. So more training examples are generally better. You can find the examples I will be used for running movie review sentiment analysis, the classify examples, which I have already shown you, and it contains five examples for each class, positive and negative. Let's now add the logic between the spaces. So first we extract the training example from SR and package them into something that is classify endpoints. Next we call the classify endpoints to classify an input text. So given the package of training example, we pass the data package such as authentication headers and other metadata to the endpoint. Then we store the responses in a named response object. Next, we pass the response and extract the classification and the contents level of our project. So finally, we output the past response back into simply we call a function. So yeah, that is basically all about the organization data. So here, what we are doing is we are just stringifying our JSON. We are getting from an object to strings. That is what stringify does. And our temperature is zero point 0.2, and lesser the like nearer the uh, nearer to zero the temperature is, the better our classification works. And temperature is simply just randomness. So if I tell you an example why randomness is important, here randomness is important. In this repository, we don't want the randomness to be very much because we don't want any creative answers. But if you are writing some kind of poem or a story, there we can set the temperature too high, so our model can be more creative. So let's put zero point 0.2 right there, and our code model is command R. Yeah, so that's all about our function of classification. So yeah, let's save our project. We will wait for some time. Just these are like loading. Just wait for a few seconds right now. So our output can get ready. Yeah, so the prediction is negative and the confidence level is a lot. So we can check the summary that this model is a waste of time. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be mentioning all the links in the description.